Hello teachers! Hello September 2024 math majors! Diyos marahay na banggi po sa gabos. Simplifying algebraic and trigonometric expressions using CARS KC-S991 calculator. So yes, we have our new calculator as our Casio FX 570ES Plus ay prohibited na po as per PRC resolution number 1809 series of 2024. So ayan, mababasa po natin na banned na po ang ating calculator dahil nagamit daw po ito sa pandaraya. So ito po, Casio FX 570ES Plus was banned from being used in the licensure examination. Take note, sa lahat po ng licensure examination ito, as it has been repeatedly discovered to have been used for cheating. So, ayan, wala po tayong magagawa. Kindly take note, banned na po ang ating most recommended calculator. At dahil dito, we have our new CARS KC-S991 calculator. At ganito po ang kanyang hitsura. Ito po ay emulator pa lang, courtesy of Sir Tedeos of CARS Philippines. Thank you, sir, sa pag-share po nito. No worries, I will make a review once po na dumating ang in-order kong calculator. Let's take a closer look sa dalawang calculator. After po nating ma-press ang mode, ito po ang lalabas sa ating dalawang calculator. Ayan, pareho lang po ang laman. At ang mga keys ay pareho din. So, worry no more, hindi po sayang ang ating Casio FX 570ES Plus calculator techniques. Ito po si CARS KC-S991 ang kapareho ng ating dating calculator. Pwede naman po nating ibenta sa mga nag-aaral ang ating calculator, which is Casio FX 570ES Plus, dahil tanging sa board exam lang naman po siya pinagbabawal, kasama na po ng Casio FX 991ES Plus at Casio FX 991ES. Ito po bang bagong calculator natin ay kasama sa list of allowable calculator? Yes po. So ito po, as per the said resolution, which is PRC Resolution 1809, updated list of allowable calculator. Ayan po ang ating bagong calculator, highlighted. So, worry no more, approve naman or nasa list ng allowable calculator. Sana hindi na po tayo atakihin ng anxiety, especially the unit earners. Malaking tulong po ang shift-solve function. So, with that, let's solve simplifying algebraic expression. So, ito po ay hindi nawawala sa ating board exam. Indeed, dito po mahilig ang typo errors. Paano po ba natin ito gagawin? Like our Casio FX 570ES Plus, all we have to do is to input the given expression. So we have x squared. X is in golden yellow. So we will press alpha, then this one, close parenthesis para lumabas po ang ating x. Then squared, ayan, minus 2xy. Okay. Para magamit po natin itong nasa taas na color golden yellow na function, we have to press alpha first, then ito pong mga nasa baba or naka-white na keys para maging activated po itong golden yellow na ating function. Then plus y squared. Okay? Then kapag ito naman pong green, we have to press shift, then this key in white para maging activated ang ating green. And over x cubed minus y cubed. Pasensya na po sa aso. ingay sa paligid. So we have x squared plus x y plus y squared all over x minus y. So, di ba po, pareho lang? Then, what's next? Colon. Ayan. Then, input po natin ang choices. We have x for letter A, x plus y for B. C1 ay hindi na po natin ilalagay. And for letter D, we have alpha x minus y. Okay? So, we're done. What's next? We don't have equal sign, so we will press calc. Tatanungin po tayo ng value ng ating x. Any value will do. Wag lang 0 at 1. So, let's say 0.001, just like po ng ginagamit natin sa ating Casio FX 570ES Plus. Then, for y, we have x and y, kaya hihingan po tayo ng value ng ating x and y. We will use, let's say, 0.008. Okay? And the answer is 1, which is letter C. But we have to check kung talaga nga po na siya ang sagot. For letter A, hindi po 1. For letter B, hindi rin. And for letter C, ay hindi rin. Therefore, it is letter C. Our next problem is simplifying trigonometric expressions. Lagi din po itong meron sa ating board exam. It's either identities, basta lagi po meron ding trigonometry. So, big help din po ang ating shift. So, easy po natin. So, let's check shift mode kung ano ang ating. So, just the same ng ating Casio FX 570ES Plus. So, do we have to set kung degree or region po ba? No need. Why? It is because we just have to prove kung alin po sa apat na option ang kaparehong value ng ating given trigonometric expression. So, just input sine x squared. Ayan. Kapag ang given po natin ay sine squared theta, ang pag-input po natin yan ay sine x squared. By the way, dahil wala po tayong theta sa ating calculator, we will use x instead. So, lahat po ng theta natin ay magiging x over cosine x dahil cosine theta tayo. Then, we have plus cosine. So, ito po pala para sa fraction. We have numerator and denominator. Cosine x squared para po sa bago pa lang sa ating calculator techniques. Ayan, i-share na lang din po natin ang ibang basics. So, na-input na po natin ang given. All we have to do is to input the choices. Separated by colon, don't forget. And again, lahat po ng ating theta ay papalitan po natin ng x. So, letter B is sine x, dahil sine theta. Letter C is secant. Si secant po ay hindi kasali sa 3 basic trigonometric functions. So, dahil walang secant dito, ang ating gagamitin ay ang reciprocal. Very good. So, what is the reciprocal of secant? What is the third letter? We have letter C. Therefore, the reciprocal is 1 over C stands for cosine. Correct. So, we have 1 over cosine x. And letter D, we have cotangent. Just like secant, we will use the reciprocal. So, what is the reciprocal of cotangent? It is 1 over tangent. Okay? So, yan. Nakompleto na po natin. And just like kanina, we will press calc and we will provide any value of x. again, iwasan po natin ang 0 at 1 para maiwasan ang magkaparehong sagot sa ating choices. So we have 1. Kailangan po na 1 din po yung value ng isa sa ating options para siya po ang ating correct answer. Very good. So for letter A, we have 1.74 times 10 to the negative 5. So X, and it's 1. So it is letter C. But let's also check letter D para masigurado po tayo. Our correct answer is letter C. So, ayan, na-share po natin na hindi po talaga totally sayang ang ating naging pagsasanay gamit ang ating Casio FX570 ES Plus dahil pareho lang naman gamit ang ating bagong Cars KC-S991. And ma-share ko lang po, mas mura po ang ating Cars calculator. Okay, so this is all for tonight. Thank you for watching. Kindly share so we can help more math major self-review takers. God bless everyone.